This is the iPhone 17 Pro. Well, as far as we know, this is it. And yes, we are a few months away from the iPhone 17 launch, but there have been so many leaks that we pretty much know everything about the entire iPhone 17 series. So let's talk about it. Hey guys, I am Akshay from 8-Bit Toast and I am really excited about the iPhone 17 series, so I 3D printed this iPhone 17 Pro. Let's get started. Let's start off with the design. So this is the design of the iPhone 17 Pro and yeah, it's very different. I mean, the camera island is now bigger and it looks quite weird. Yeah, the real device will hopefully look better than this, but it's still gonna be a huge camera bump this time around. On the other hand, the normal iPhone 17 is going to look pretty much exactly the same as the iPhone 16, and the only leak is that the screen size is increasing from 6.1 to 6.3 inches for the regular iPhone 17. Now that confused me a bit because it's normally the non-Pro iPhone that sells more, but if the iPhone 17 is going to look exactly the same as the iPhone 16, then people will just buy the iPhone 16 at a lower price, right? But I think that's where the iPhone 17 Air is expected to come in. I mean, this is the big 6.6-inch thin iPhone variant that's supposed to look like this from the back, and I don't know about you, but that looks very pixel-like to me. It is gonna be very thin. I mean, it'll be around 5.5 mm in thickness, and the iPhone 16 Pro is 8.25 mm thick, so yeah, this will definitely turn some heads. There is a Bengate joke in here somewhere. Anyway, the point is the iPhone 17 Air and the 17 Pro and Pro Max are going to be the phones that look different this time around. The iPhone 17, yeah, that's gonna have a tough time. Moving on, all iPhone 17 variants are going to come with the new A19 series of processors, which will be built on the 3nm process from TSMC. There were some reports that Apple will switch to a 2nm process this year, but it looks like that's not happening. Anyway, it's A19 all around, and the Pro and the Pro Max will get the A19 Pro processor, which is going to be more powerful. I mean, last year the A18 Pro had 6 GPU cores as compared to 5 on the A18 chipset, and it also had larger cache and USB 3.2 Gen 2 support. So the A19 Pro will also have some improvements over the regular A19 chip for sure. Plus the Pro models are going to get a RAM upgrade. So we are going to see 12 GB of RAM in the iPhone 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max, while the regular iPhone 17 and 17 Air will stick with 8 GB RAM. That said, non-Pro iPhones will get one major upgrade this year, and that is ProMotion. Yeah, the rumor suggests that the entire iPhone 17 lineup will come with 120Hz displays. You know, finally. Plus the display sizes are changing as well. The iPhone 17 will get a bigger 6.3-inch screen, the iPhone 17 Air will get a 6.6-inch display, and the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will get their usual 6.3-inch and 6.9-inch displays. Yeah, there's no iPhone 17 Plus, so if you're looking for a bigger screen, you'll have to go with the Air or the Pro Max. Obviously, with the new iPhone, we are going to get new camera upgrades as well. Last year, the iPhone 16 Pro got 48 megapixel primary, 48 megapixel ultra wide, and 12 megapixel telephoto lenses. This year, the telephoto camera is also getting a 48 megapixel sensor, so yeah, it's a trio of 48 megapixel sensors just hanging around in there. That said, there are some confusing reports about the optical zoom capabilities that will come with this 48 megapixel sensor. I mean, some leaks are saying that will be reduced from 5x to 3.5x, but the latest reports are claiming that there will be 8x optical zoom instead. I guess we'll have to wait and see. Now, personally, I don't really use zoom a lot while taking photos, so I don't really care either way, but this is going to be something to watch out for. All 4 iPhone 17 models will also get upgraded 24 megapixel selfie cameras, which should get you better selfies, better video calls, etc, etc. And yeah, these are simply incremental updates, but considering that the camera system on the iPhone 16 series was already so good, simple upgrades might just do it for the iPhone 17. Now the battery is one place there's a lot to talk about. Firstly, the super thin iPhone 17 Air is going to have a 2800 mAh battery, and I know what you're thinking, that's just really small.
That's what she said.
And yeah, I'm not really sure the iPhone 17 Air will last through a day of heavy usage. On the other hand, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is reportedly getting a 5000 mAh battery, which is the biggest battery in an iPhone yet. I mean, the 16 Pro has a 3582 mAh battery, and the 16 Pro Max apparently has a 4685 mAh battery. So yeah, a 5000 mAh battery will definitely mean some good battery life numbers. Plus, the iPhone 17 series will get better charging speeds. All iPhone 17 variants will support 35 watt fast charging and 45 watt wireless charging with MagSafe. Yeah, these are numbers that are anywhere near the numbers that Android phones offer, but I think it's going to be a long time before Apple even thinks about 100 watt or 200 watt fast charging. So for now, I think we're gonna have to make do with this. So when exactly will the iPhone 17 launch? Well, it's gonna be in September because that's Apple's favorite time to launch new iPhones, and it's usually in the second week of September. So I think it's around 8th or 9th of September that we'll see the iPhone 17 launch. As for the pricing, the iPhone 17 Pro is going to be more expensive this time around. Here's the pricing we are expecting for the iPhone 17 series, and yeah, the iPhone 17 Air will take the place of the Plus model, and the Pro and Pro Max are getting more expensive. Now, there are some reports that are saying the pricing will remain the same as last year, so the iPhone 17 Pro will start at $999, but considering the tariffs and everything that's going on, yeah, it's more likely that the iPhones will get more expensive this time around. But that's pretty much everything about the iPhone 17 series, and like I said, we basically know all about the phones at this point. Now, I am still quite hyped to see the iPhone 17 Air and of course the Pro, but since the regular iPhone 17 will get 120Hz this time around, that might just be the most value for money iPhone this year. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing tech videos. That's all from my side. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.